A doctor gives you 3 pills and says take one every 30 minutes. How long will they last? Let me know your answer in the comments before I write the answer. How long will the pills last if you have to take one every 30 minutes and you have 3 pills? Well, most people will say the pill will last 1 hour 30 minutes, right? Since we are taking one every 30 minutes, but this is wrong. The pills will last just 1 hour. How? Now, let's say you start taking the pill at 7 a.m. Then you take the next one at 7:30 a.m. and you take the third one at 8 a.m. That means the pill lasts from 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. and that is 1 hour. So do you agree that the 3 pills will last 1 hour, or do you still think the pills will last 1 hour 30 minutes? Let me know in the comments.